In this video, I'll be showing you how to add music in CapCut PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using CapCut on the PC on, whether you're on Windows or a Mac or anything like that. So as you can see, I have my edit right here. So all I want to do if I want to add some music is go over to the top left where it has the media tab, and then I'm going to go ahead and press import right here. Now from here, I can go ahead and find whichever music track I want or anything like that. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and use something like this. All I'm going to do is go ahead and click open. The music track is going to be right here. I can then press this plus icon and then the music track is added right at the bottom, and I can obviously do whatever I want to it. Now what you can also do is press audio right here, and I can add CapCut specific music as well. And yeah, that's literally it. You'll be good to go. Now you can choose whatever genre you want, like if I want funk or anything like that. I can press download, or I can favorite them too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.